Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make a keyhole butterfly dress. Please stay tuned. I've gone ahead to fold my material accordingly and also cut out my neck. I'll show you how I just did that. Firstly, what you need to do is to fold your material into two first, and then hold it at the middle, fold it into two again. That's like into four parts, with the top part being your arm, and then the bottom part will determine the length of your blouse. So either leave it as a square or make it a curve, just as I'm going to do in the video now. And then it's the same method with cutting a butterfly dress. Okay, I'm curving mine now. Yeah, so that's mine. I've gone ahead to cut out the neck, and then the most important part you need to take note of is your underbust measurement. Okay, your underbust measurement divided by 4. You can add 1 each sewing allowance so that you have some allowance in the dress. And then you need your waist measurement as well, maybe like 2 inches or 3 inches below your underbust measurement. You mark that out, and then you just take an inch. So you need to draw out a line, okay, to join the 2 points together, and then mark out an inch before and after the line to make your hole, the belt hole. Look at mine now, it's quite small, so I'm going to make it bigger so you can see it very well. So if I will make it bigger, it means I'll have to take note of my bust measurement. Okay, so I'll just mark out my bust point first of all, and then I'll take my bust measurement divided by 4, and then I'll add 1 each sewing allowance. Once I've done that, I'll mark the point out, and then I'll join it with I'll extend it to the belt hole I've already made, so I'll make a bigger hole. Okay, I'll just do that right out now, and then I'll cut it and you see how it turns out. Yeah, you want to measure the width too, to keep the belt hole width consistent. So making this dress is very convenient. 10 minutes tops, you're done, just like the butterfly dress. In fact, it's even more elegant. I love it. Yeah, so I've done that now. I'll just use my scissors to straighten up the edges so I can have a clean finish afterwards. And then after this, I'll make my bias. I'll turn the edges with my bias. As you can see, I also went ahead to make the neck. I used a collar for the neck. So you see what we have. Now this is the most important point. What you want to do is to join front to front, okay, and you have to do it gradually, and then you do it all round. By the time you do that, look at, you have a very clean finish. You make sure you iron it so that it look really clean. See, the belt hole is very obvious now so that you guys can see it. And that's how our dress turned out. Please make sure to like and subscribe and come back again. Thank you.